Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make masala Maggi with bell pepper and onion. For this recipe, here I have a pack of 500 grams of Maggi and I will be using half of this. I really wish this one also had individual packaging so that it became a little easier to store the remaining Maggi. But never mind, I'm going to use half of this. Here I have 2 onions, 1 yellow bell pepper and 1 red bell pepper. And we need to chop all the vegetables. You can add any vegetable that you like or is in season. I just wanted to make it a little colorful, so adding the red and yellow bell pepper. When we are cooking bell pepper or capsicum, we do not cook the seeds and we usually throw it. So rather than throwing, we can also plant the seeds. In most cases, they will grow into a beautiful plant and you will get your own capsicum at home. You can also cook this with green peas, French bean, carrot and all the other vegetables that you like. Here I am done chopping all the ingredients. I will transfer this into this plate and here they are ready. Let's start cooking. I'm heating up a frying pan and adding about 2 to 3 spoons of oil. Spread the oil and we'll start frying some roughly chopped garlic. I just somehow love that taste of deep fried garlic. Once garlic is about 40% fried, I'm adding the onion. Allow this to fry as well in low to medium flame. In the meanwhile, in a saucepan, I'm allowing little bit of water to boil. Here our onion is also frying. We need to keep checking this. Once water starts to boil, I will be adding the Maggi. I am adding 4 parts of this. Whenever I cook Maggi, I just have this habit of taking a small bite of the raw version of Maggi. And allow this to boil in medium flame. And here our onion is also cooked. They have turned golden brown. At this stage, I will be adding the bell pepper as well. Flame is in low to medium. Give everything a good mix. Adding pink Himalayan salt as per taste. Pinch of black pepper powder, and mix really well. I'm not adding too many masalas because Maggi masala anyways is very flavorful and strong. So I'm just adding salt and black pepper. Here our noodles is also boiling. Well, I will be adding 3 packs of the masala into this boiling noodles itself. So when you are boiling the water, at that stage also you can add the masalas, or you can add it at a later stage once the noodles start boiling. But if you add them in water, it becomes very easy for them to get mixed well. So here I am adding 3 packs of masalas, and we need to mix this really well, otherwise it may just stick to one part. Once noodles are properly boiled, I will switch off the flame. And in the meanwhile, our vegetables are also cooking. You can also cover them for a few minutes for the capsicum to cook properly. And one remaining Maggi masala I am adding into the vegetables as well. Give this a good mix. I don't want the bell pepper to be completely cooked. About 80% also should be enough. Even if they are just 80% cooked, that also should be enough. So I covered them for like 2-3 minutes and removed the lid. At this stage, all our vegetables are properly cooked. So I will be adding the boiled Maggi into this. Mix this well with the vegetables so that they incorporate really well. If you are cooking it in a bigger utensil, it would be easier for you to mix this. But I was cooking it in a frying pan, so it became a little difficult for me to mix them. But anyways, we got it done. Allow this to cook for about 2-3 minutes in low to medium flame so that Maggi also gets that fried taste. Once done, remove the pan and switch off the flame. And I will transfer this into a bigger bowl. I just wanted the bell pepper to retain its color, and so I cooked them only about 80% and they have retained the color. So here I have my colorful masala Maggi all ready to be served. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.